Have you seen a picture and wondered how you can create an image like that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn picture into words. Then, copy and paste the prompt to any image generator and create similar images in no time. So, without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Go to Chrome browser and search for CocoaClip. Select the first link with this logo. After logging in, you will see this interface. Now, I understand it might feel overwhelming and confusing with all the options and settings, but I assure you, after this tutorial, everything is going to make sense. Select the 3 lines on the top right, then select Features. Choose Image to Prompt. Here you will need to upload the picture which would like to turn into prompt. I'm going to upload a picture of a car. Wait a little bit for the image to load. Then hit Generate Prompt. Give it a few seconds to generate. The prompt is ready. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go and paste it to an image generator. My personal favorite is Piclemen. I'm going to paste the prompt here, then hit Generate. Wait for a few seconds. Then the images are ready. Take a look at them. They look exactly like the image we wanted to recreate. By the way, if you want to know how to create free realistic images, please watch this video. Link will be in the description below. Like the video, and we'll see you next time.